What's up, y'all? It's Love with Katie B back in the building with yet another video. And y'all, pretend y'all didn't see that little snippet before. I just add some whipped cream in it to make it look like we just got it. But this is from last night. We just had it in the fridge and I'm like, you know what, I don't want to waste it, you know, I'm just gonna make it look brand new and drink it like normal. So as y'all can see down below, sorry about the noise in the back, you know it's not a Life of Katie B video without the washing machine going on or something like that, you know what I'm saying. But I got for y'all a Daiso Japanese snacks video. So I only got a little bit of snacks now looking back at it, and mom was saying you don't really have enough snacks, and I was like, oh my god. So I just got a lot of random stuff. I was picking stuff off the shelf that I saw other people grab because it's just all in Japanese. I can't really read anything of it. So like this, it's just full Japanese. So I just figured there are potato chips. It's got seaweed on it. It looks like barbecue sauce. And it's gonna taste like seaweed barbecue sauce chips. I got some more snacks. So I got this. I got a matcha tea. Looks like corn toast, like some sort of. Oh, caramel corn, actually. Oh, wow, it's in English. It's corn snack rich cheese, so it'll probably be like corn toast or something. Not bad. Oh, I saw a lot, like a girl grab a whole stack of this, so I was just like, oh, I'll try it. Bourbon, oh, bruh. Bourbon Pucci chocolate cookie. This is another type of cookie, Bourbon Pucci chocolate chip cookie. 4 different types of lollies that came together. This shop, basically almost everything is $2.80. Maybe some chips in that are more expensive, but yeah. They're just sweets and different, flavors. Enough. Yeah, got rubbish in there. Oh, I love this, guys. I actually love this. Coca-Cola lolly, I love this. Milky chocolate. I've been wanting to try their chocolates. It doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna try the potato chip, seaweed, soy sauce potato chips. What the heck, bro? It's got so much flavor. It's like sweet sour cream and chives. You can taste the seaweed a bit. It does taste really nice though. This is really good. The best potato chips I've had here. No joke, what? Oh, that smells really cheesy, like toe jams when you first open the packet. It smells like hard work in this bag, you know what I'm saying? Oh, very cheesy. We'll try this again. Y'all, this washing machine is killing me. Hold up a second. It still tastes like caramel popcorn. Definitely, you can definitely taste the corn, the cheese. Oh my gosh, these chips are bomb. Y'all, we be missing out. It's like eating flavored popcorn. Y'all, I need to get some more of these. Oh, it's even got like sugar on it too. Gives it that sweetness. Oh. It's not too harsh like other corn chips where they're just really crunchy and there's like no flavor. Well, a lot of flavor but doesn't have, I don't know. Heck man, I already know this is gonna be good. Dang it, let me put this to the side. Y'all get you some Japanese snacks, doesn't matter what it looks like, it'll probably taste good anyway. Because this is what it looks like, it's so big. Okay. Looks like popcorn. It's very light and airy, very fluffy, airy, not dry at all. In between popcorn and, oh my gosh, this is so good. What the hell, guys? Green tea caramel corn. It's basically popcorn, but it's really light and fluffy popcorn.
I don't even know how to, what the heck, bro? These are the kind of snacks that I feel like. These are the kind of snacks I didn't know I needed, Joe, honestly.
Alright, all the chips I've tried, a 6 out of 5. You know I'm gonna have another one because that tasted so good. Really small. It sort of tastes like Hello Pandas. Is it Hello Pandas? Tastes exactly like that. Yeah. These are bomb. These are better than more than half, basically more than all the cookies and Coles in it. You know, Japanese people have been hiding too many things from us. Eating this sort of reminds me of chocolate cookies. Like, you know how you have cookies and cream, you have the chocolate version of it. It sort of tastes like that. This is bomb, y'all. Get the chocolates over and done with. Milky chocolate. Ooh, the packaging is awesome. Wow, I wonder how much money they spend on packaging out here. A nice little package. Oh, it's in a tray? What the heck, man? Oh, that smells so good. It smells like vanilla-y. Like when you walk to an expensive store. Oh, it smells like expensive chocolate. It's in a tray, guys. It's already cut up. It smells vanilla-y. Very milky, that's what it smells like. So, and chocolate. It tastes like how it smells. Milky, vanilla-y. It's got the filling in there. Sweet, really sweet. Again, this chocolate's better than half the chocolate that's out there. What the heck? Very smooth in texture. I'm gonna try the grapes gummy. Ooh, cute. It's not a lot in there, but you guys will be able to see it. It's very chewy. Like that. I like how small the portion is, like it's not too overpowering. The teeth look really white. Got a little bit of sugar on the outside. Tastes like grapes. Tastes nice. It's sort of, it's definitely lighter than the wine gums. I like how you don't feel like your teeth are gonna break when you chew it, and it doesn't get stuck in your teeth. I like that. So the rest will definitely taste the same. Grape is nice. Apple see-through. Oh, this tastes like a lolly. The smell of it's strong. It smells like wine or cider or something. Nice. Grape's not that bad. The green grapes. These all taste like some kind of lolly I've had. It's a bit sour. These taste really good. Yeah, they taste really nice. Like, I like the fact that it really doesn't get stuck in your teeth. Or teeth. Sorry guys. Now these I love so much. I remember getting a couple of these a while back. I was supposed to be for my mum, and then I ended up eating like the whole 3 packets. Come on, packaging. It's like Hubba Bubba. That's what it reminds me of. And it's got the Coca-Cola inside it. Oh my gosh, it'll taste delicious. Oh, it's a bit hard right now. It tastes like the Coke lollies back in India. Pardon me, sorry. It's like it has little beads on the inside of it that make it taste really nice. Like when it's been in your pocket and it's warm, it tastes really nice. And it just bubbles and fizzes in your mouth. Like popping candy, sort of. Well, I'm gonna have one more. Yeah, now I'm gonna sass this off camera. Well, actually, I'm gonna save it for my family first. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little Japanese taste testing thing. There you go, guys. Go check them out. Daiso Japan. They have some awesome stuff. They have a lot of cleaning supplies. You know how Asian stores have basically everything you need. Mops, from mops to phone cases. I put my camera in here. To I don't know, chips, snacks, anything like bags, whatever you need, stationery. It's all there. Yeah, so it's basically almost $2.80 and everything in the store. For everything in the store, like $2.80 for a product. Sorry guys, I'm flopping out. This is really bad. But yeah, sorry guys for the late upload a few weeks ago. I've just been so tired, so lazy, you know what I mean. But I'm back into it. I've gotten enough rest lately, and yeah. So thank you to all my new subscribers. Oh my gosh, from the last time I posted my video, like the second to last video I posted to now, oh my gosh, like subscribers have boomed from there. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I love all the comments, all the messages that all of you guys have been sending to me. I love the support, and I just want to thank you guys for joining my channel. And for those that have been here for ages, I love you guys, and thank you guys for always supporting me. And until the next video, don't forget to like, comment, share. And I got a new Facebook page, guys, so I'll update you guys there on the next video. And we're just working on the page, but I'll let you guys know when it's up. Alright guys, so stay tuned, stay posted. Don't forget to click on that bell for post notifications on when I post, and kakite ano, tō whāsoi pua.